How to disable a transponder key system. A vital part of your car's security system is the transponder key. It is a tiny electronic gadget that sends a signal to the computer of the car, letting it know that the key is present and allowed to start the engine. An individual identity that corresponds to the ID kept in the computer is encoded into this signal. So, let's learn how to disable a transponder key system. Disabling system with emergency key. Initially, place the emergency key into the ignition and rotate it to the on state. Then, press and grasp the unlock button on the key fob for no less than 5 seconds. By executing this, you will restore the system to its original settings and deactivate the transponder key. Subsequently, you will be able to initiate the engine using the emergency key. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.